What's wiggling, Wire Noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Wire Notice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here. These are the brand spanking new AirPods Pro. Now, these bad boys will set you back about $250, so they're not exactly cheap, but they do have one major new feature for sure, which is actually active noise canceling. So now, folks, that is pretty cool. So anyway, without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So now, folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see right here on the front, we have a picture of the AirPods Pro. Over here on the top of the box, it says AirPods Pro wireless charging case because, yes, you're buying the Pro version. It comes with that wireless charging case, which means you can just plop the case down on a wireless charger and charge it up. Anyway, if we come over here to the back, we got a little picture of the AirPods in said case. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to the action, folks. Let's cut to the chase and get these bad boys out of the box. So we can peel this little tab right here. And oh yeah, Apple makes this nice and easy. Here's the best part, little shrink wrap right here. Let's Michael Jordan slam dunk it. Oh yeah, folks, oh yeah. Here we go, okay? Into the box. And wow, this is already an easy unboxing experience, I can tell, because designed by Apple in California right there. And now if we come underneath, boom, Apple AirPods Pro. Look at these right here. We can just take this little plastic off the top, nice and easy. Okay, okay. And here they are. Now, first impressions, folks, the first thing you're gonna notice about these is they actually have this wider case. If you remember with the original AirPods, everyone was always making fun of the case like, oh, it looks like a little packet of dental floss or whatever. Now this one is a fat packet of dental floss. So, yeah, it's wider, okay, folks? Now, let's open it up and see what those AirPods look like. Come closer over here, my cameraman. Look at these bad boys. Oh, and look, a little light lights up right there. Folks, if that isn't cool, I don't know what is. And I'm Big Daddy Shane, I know what cool is. Okay, so let's pop one of these little bad boys out of the box. Oh yeah, excuse me, out of the case. Oopsie boopsie, come on out. One way for sure to tell that these are the AirPods Pro, the new big boy version, is because it has these black grills all around it, and it also has these little ear tips that actually penetrate your ear and stay in there. Thank goodness, because AirPods, they just look like they're gonna fall out of your ear. Okay, folks, so this one goes in my left ear right here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, and here we got the right ear, folks. Check it out, check it out. Into my ear, and oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Do I look like a boss? I feel like a boss, okay? Right here, we got the charging case. Look at that. Let's take a closer look at this. Come closer, my cameraman. As you can see right here, it has a lightning port on the bottom because if you don't want to charge this bad boy with wireless, you can, of course, plug it into a lightning cable, the same cable that you would use to charge your iPhone. Okay, folks, so now we can put this down to the side right now, and let's see what else is in the box. We always gotta see what else comes with these bad boys for $250. Under here, ooh, look at this. We got a lightning to USB-C cable. Is that not a riot? Lightning to USB-C. Well, folks, the new MacBooks do have USB-C, so I think Apple, are they finally making the transition? I do not know. The iPhone 11 Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, they come with a Lightning to USB-C cable. So maybe they are, maybe they aren't. I don't know. Anyway, let's look at this bad boy. Oh yeah, this is what you get for $250, folks. $250, okay? And now let's see what else is inside the box. Right here we got, ooh, the extra ear tips. Now this is definitely one big feature. They come with different sizes of ear tips so you can get the best fit for you. Here they are. They're just in this little thing right here. Let's see, how do I open this up? I'm actually not sure. Oh wait, there it goes. I don't want to drop these everywhere though. See, that would be a problem because as you guys can tell, I'm not exactly in my house. I don't know how clean the floors are. I don't want to put the floor in my ears, okay? Is that crazy? I don't know. And folks, that is all that's in the box. Just the AirPods, the wireless charging case right here, the ear tips, and the Lightning to USB-C cable. So folks, without further ado, let's get to using these bad boys. Oh yeah! And folks, just like the original AirPods, these bad boys, the Pro version, are easy to set up. All you have to do is open up the case next to your iPhone, and as you can see, up right there pops this little area that says AirPods Pro, if you guys can pick that up. And all you gotta do is, guess what? Just tap connect. So folks, believe it or not, they're all set up now, so let's put these bad boys back in my ears. And let's start listening to some music. As you guys know, the Warenotice tradition, every time I try out a new pair of headphones, is to sing along to a song, do a little karaoke while wearing them. So folks, this time it's gonna be no different. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. Horse stack is attached. Hat is matted black. Got the boots is black to match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. Climbing in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Oh boy, that was me singing Old Town Road by Lil Nas X, of course. Who doesn't love that song? A true classic, if I do say so myself. These bad boys certainly do not sound bad, which is definitely good for that big $250 price tag. Now, obviously, these bad boys, like I said earlier, they have noise cancellation, so you're able to control that on your iPhone and also by just pressing and squeezing right here on the little ear tips. And with that squeeze, now I turn the noise cancellation off. And actually, if I check my phone, let's see, it's actually now on transparency mode, which is another new feature of these headphones, which makes it even easier to hear the environment around you. So actually, my voice sounds louder in my ears. I can hear it very, very well. So that's definitely cool. Now, if you want to actually control that noise cancellation or transparency on your phone, one way to access it is by swiping down from the top of your screen and accessing Control Center, then by force touching on the volume slider, and you'll see you can tap either noise cancellation, off, or transparency. So right now it's on transparency, but I'll just tap noise cancellation, and now it's on noise cancellation. Pretty noticeable difference right there. So when the noise cancellation is off, I can, it's muffled hearing myself, but when it's on transparency, I can very clearly hear around me. So that is definitely pretty cool. Now, another cool thing with these headphones that you can do on your iPhone is something called the Eartip Fit Test to see which ear tips fit best in your ears. So let's do that right now. So to access it, you go into settings, then you tap Bluetooth, then you tap your AirPods. As you can see, mine are called Big Daddy Shane's AirPods Pro. You tap the I, and then right here you are on the AirPods screen. So you can tap Eartip Fit Test, you can tap continue, and then play. Let's see. Okay, so it's playing some music. It says do not remove earpods. Makes sense. And it says it's a good seal on both, so I'll just keep these ear tips. Sounds good. And yeah, folks, with that, now you've seen the AirPods Pro. So based on my short time with them thus far, as you've seen, they definitely sound good. The bass also slaps too pretty well when you turn up the volume on these, so that's definitely nice. And yeah, with these ear tips, let's see if they pass the head shake test. Oh yeah, look how crazy I'm shaking my head, and they are not falling out. That is awesome. So yeah, another new feature of these AirPods actually too is they are sweat resistant. So that means you can have more confidence when you wear them to the gym. It's IPX4 water resistance. If you want to know the specific water certification right there, now you do. But yeah, anyway folks, now that'll be all for this Warenotice video. If you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, folks, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Apple AirPods Pro in my ears, baby.